In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add tasks in Microsoft Project. By the end, you'll know several reliable ways to build a clean schedule quickly, starting with the simplest approach and moving into methods that let you capture more detail as you go. Begin by opening your project in Microsoft Project Desktop and make sure you're looking at the Gantt chart view. You can confirm that by going to the View tab and choosing Gantt chart. This view shows a task list on the left and a timeline on the right, which makes it easy to see what you're adding. To add a basic task fast, click the first empty row in the task list, just below any existing tasks. Type the task name and press Enter. That's it. You've created a simple task entry. Don't worry about the specifics yet. You can always fill in the rest later. A helpful tip here is to keep task names short and action-oriented, so they're easy to scan. If you need to insert a task between existing items, select the row below where you want the new task to appear. Then go to the Task tab on the ribbon and click Task. Microsoft Project will insert a blank row directly above the row you selected. Type the new task name, and you're done. If you prefer a keyboard shortcut, pressing the Insert key also adds a new task row, which can speed up your workflow when you're making multiple adjustments. When you want to add tasks and capture more detail at the same time, stay in the Gantt chart view and turn on the Details area to split the screen. In the lower pane, you'll see the task form. Here, you can enter the task's name, set the duration, assign resources, and define predecessors before you click OK to save. This approach is especially useful when you already know how tasks relate to each other, or when you're building a sequence that needs clear dependencies and assignments right away. After you've added tasks, you can refine them directly in the columns next to each task name. Click the Duration column to set how long the work should take, and use Start and Finish to align timing. In the Predecessors and Successors fields, establish relationships to control the order of work. In Resource Names, assign the people or teams responsible. Fill in only what you need for now. You can always return to adjust details as your plan evolves. That's all you need to confidently add tasks in Microsoft Project and keep your schedule organized and accurate.